Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to start with EVS 2 and we are going to start a new chapter today. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, so ready? Okay, fine. So your first question is, when was the Treaty of Purandar signed? When was the Treaty of Purandar signed? Okay, the Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665. Next, who asked Shivaji to go to Agra and see the emperor? Who asked Shivaji to go to Agra and see the emperor? Yes, very good. Mirza Raje Jai Singh asked Shivaji to go to Agra and see the emperor. Third one, what did Shivaji do when the emperor imprisoned him? What did Shivaji do when the emperor imprisoned him? Yes, Shivaji gave him a slip when the emperor imprisoned him. So, today we are going to learn how Shivaji gave a slip to the emperor. In lesson number 13, Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. Now children, this is not 1 and 2 part, this is full chapter, so pay attention. And we are going to start this chapter with new words. So your first word is treasure. Treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Now treasure means valuables. Prearranged. P-R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D. Prearranged means pre-planned. Sovereign. S-O-V-E-R-E-I-G-N. Now sovereign means ruler. Deliberate. D-E-L-I-B-E-R-A-T-E. Deliberate means intentional. Treachery. T-R-E-A-C-H-E-R-Y. It means disloyalty or betrayal. Clutches. C-L-U-T-C-H-E-S. Clutches means grip. Permission. P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Permission means consent. Pretended. P-R-E-T-E-N-D-E-D. Pretended means to play act. Imprisonment. I-M-P-R-I-S-O-N-M-E-N-T. Imprisonment means in somebody's custody or a state of being imprisoned. Now children, this is the content outline of this chapter. This is very small chapter. So we are doing in only one part. So please pay attention. So this is our content outline. What we are going to study today. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. The emperor's treachery. Escape from Agra. Now children, before I explain this lesson, let us revise what happened in the previous chapter. Now Shivaji wanted to establish Swaraj to make the people happy. But he was also sad because in the battlefield many of his brave soldiers were losing their lives, and so he wanted to make a treaty of peace with the Mughal emperor. And so he signed the treaty of peace with the emperor. And after signing the treaty, Mirza Raje Jai Singh suggested that he should go to Agra to visit the emperor. Now Shivaji knew that the emperor could not be trusted, but still he decided to meet the emperor at Agra. Now in this lesson, Shivaji had already decided to meet the emperor at Agra and he is about to leave. Now leaving, what did he do? While leaving, what did he do? he handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessings. After that, he, along with his son Sambhaji Raje and some of his trusted Sardars, went with a large treasure. He moved towards Agra and finally reached there. Now Shivaji shows his spirit at Emperor's court. Now here Shivaji is at the court of Emperor. He attended the Emperor's darbar. Now young Sambhaji Raje, Shivaji's son, young Sambhaji Raje was also with Shivaji, and it was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday, 50th birthday. And after finishing court in Diwan-e Khas, now it is a place where all guests of the states were received. Now Emperor entered the hall where the matters of states were discussed. Now this place is where all the Sardars, the chiefs of different ranks, were assembled and they were given places according to their status. Now Shivaji was a king of Maharashtra, and according to his position as a king, he should have been respected and given a seat or place to sit in the first row. But what happened? The emperor wanted to insult Shivaji, and so Shivaji was put in one of the back rows. Now Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas put to flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead Shivaji. Now he was feeling insulted, so he was very angry, and so he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. He turned his back and he returned to home. Now what happened? Now the emperor's treachery, his betrayal. Okay. Now Aurangzeb ordered some guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Now means Aurangzeb made Shivaji and his son prisoners. Now you all know that when people are in jail, they are locked inside in the house or in the cell, and the guards are guarding outside that the prisoners should not move away from their place. Now similarly here Shivaji and his son were inside the house and the guards were keeping watch. Now days passed, week passed, nothing would change, and so Shivaji petitioned to the emperor, means he asked for permission to return to the state of Maharashtra, but the emperor did not give him any response. Now every time Shivaji requested, but it was turned down. Now Shivaji made up his mind to escape from the clutches, from the grip of the emperor. Now what did Shivaji do? He first decided to send back the persons, the people to the south who had accompanied him to Agra. So he obtained emperor's permission. The emperor was happy when he heard about this and gave permission. Now the emperor thought that Shivaji would now be completely isolated, means he is completely alone now. Now Shivaji and his son and two other servants. Now the two servants were Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehtar. Now they were left behind in the residence as a prisoners. Now Shivaji's mind was busy making plans to escape. What was the plan now? Now Shivaji decided to fall sick purposely. Now I'm not well, like he pretended, so that he was ill. He complained to the emperor of a severe stomach pain. Now in the class, if you don't want to attend the school, like, so if you tell your teacher my stomach is paining, I want to go home. So same way it was done by Shivaji. So he complained to the emperor of severe stomach pain, and so doctors were called. Now doctors were treating Shivaji. Now Shivaji told the emperor that he would like to send baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulavis for his quick recovery. Now escape from Agra. Now huge baskets were sent to the holy people because Shivaji wanted to recover soon. Now in the beginning, the guards would examine the baskets. Examine means they were checking the baskets, what is there inside and all. So see whether they were filled with sweets or no. In the course of time, the baskets were not checked. Now, why they were not checked? Because the guards were tired checking the same thing again and again. So they were tired checking them every day. So they stopped checking one day. Means after some days they stopped it and they told that okay, go, fine. Now what happened? Now after they started not checking the baskets, what happened? Now one day Shivaji made Hiroji sleep on his bed and he asked Madari to massage his feet. So what would the guards think? That Shivaji is sleeping and Madari is massaging his feet. Now Shivaji and Sambhaji hid themselves in two of the many baskets. Now in one basket Shivaji hid himself and in the other basket Sambhaji Raje hid himself. The baskets were supposed to be filled with sweets and the guards were tired of checking the same thing daily, so they did not check it. So Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje got out of the place and escaped. Finally they reached a place where his faithful servants were waiting with horses, now ready for flight. Now in the meantime, what happened? Now Hiroji and Madari, they left the house in Agra under the pretext. Now under the pretext means just an excuse they made to go out of the house. The two of them risked their own life to save their master's life. Now the emperor comes to know about Shivaji's escape the next day. Oh, would he be happy? No, not at all. He was wild with rage. His sardars were also frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace for Shivaji, but all in vain. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. Now, who is Maratha lion over here? Yes, of course, Shivaji Maharaj. Now, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra in disguise. Now, disguise means he changed his appearance and he left his son Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura. Now, in due course, he reached Rajgarh. Now, when he reached over there, Jijamata was overjoyed. She was very happy to see his son Shivaji safe back home. To see his son Shivaji safe back home. Now 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh. Now with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave a slip to the emperor and reached to his house safely. Now all this took place in the year 1666. Okay, now we will learn in detail. Now children, here you can see they both are having a talk and Shivaji is putting his trust in Jai Singh. Now Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Now before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessings. Now with him were his son Sambhaji Raje, some chosen sardars and few trusted people. Now he also carried with him a large treasure. Treasure means valuables. Now in due course he reached Agra. Now Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. Now on a prearranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Now young Sambhaji Raje also accompanied Shivaji Maharaj. Now he was also with Shivaji. Now when Shivaji visited to emperor's darbar, it was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. Now after finishing court in Diwan-e-Khas, the emperor entered the hall where matters of states were discussed. Now in front of him stood his chief sardars. It was like in a serial rank according to their status, all were standing. Now Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put to flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. Now the emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Now here in the picture you can see Shivaji is behind. So Shivaji became angry. Now after all, he was the king of Maharashtra state and his status demanded that he should be in the first rank. So he felt insult and he would not suffer lying down. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. So he decided never to see the emperor's face again. The visit was thus a failure. The news of this incident spread everywhere. The emperor's treachery. Now Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Now Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus became prisoners, the emperor's prisoners. Now Shivaji understood the emperor's treachery and he realized that the emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. Now days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor for permission, means he asked permission to return to Maharashtra. He tried again and again, but every time the request was turned down. It was not accepted by Aurangzeb. So then Shivaji Raje made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. He said, come what may, I am not going to stay here. So I am going to plan something and I am going to go out of from here. Now to begin with, he obtained the emperor's permission to send back to the south the people who had accompanied him to Agra. So he asked permission to send them back to south. Now here the emperor was very happy. He thought that Shivaji would now be completely isolated. He is alone and I can do anything with him. Now only two persons left behind with him, with Shivaji. They were Sambhaji Raje, means Shivaji's son, and the two servants were Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehtar. So these are the two people, two servants with Shivaji. Now soon after, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill, means he acted that I am ill. Okay, so he complained of severe stomach pain. So doctors were called and they started treating the patient. Now who was the patient here? Yes, Shivaji Maharaj. Now Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulavis for his quick recovery. Escape from Agra. Now in the beginning, guards outside would examine the baskets, means to check the basket what all is there inside. Now in the course of time, they got tired of this daily routine and stopped it. Now one evening, Shivaji made Hiroji sleep on his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. Now then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hid himself in two of the many baskets and that were going outside. So the baskets were supposed to contain sweets and allowed to pass unchecked. But who was there inside? Yes, Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje. Now at a place previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the baskets. Now their faithful servants were already waiting for them and the horses were ready for flight. Now here in the meantime, Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to take some medicine for Shivaji. So the guards allowed them and they were out of that prison now. The two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. The emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. Now he was wild with rage. His Sardars were frightened. Yes, they were scared. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji, where Shivaji is. All this search, however, was in vain. Now, once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. Now, in disguise means he changed his appearance. Now, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. From Agra, he went to Raigad. He left, now while going on his way to Raigad, he left young Sambhaji behind in a safe place at Mathura. In due course, then he reached Agra. Now Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home. 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh. Now in this way, with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. Now this all happened in 1666. Now children, we are going to start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Shivaji Maharaj attended the Emperor's Darbar. It was Aurangzeb's dash birthday. 50th, 60th, 70th. And the correct answer is 50th. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at dash. Surat, Agra, Mathura. Correct answer, Mathura. Shivaji escaped from Agra in the year dash. 1666, 1667, 1668. Correct answer, 1666. Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh dash months later. 1, 2, 3. Correct answer, 2 months later. Dash was in the row ahead of Shivaji. Jaswant Singh Rathod, Adil Shah, Diler Khan. Correct answer, Jaswant Singh Rathod. Select the correct alternative. Why did Shivaji go to Agra? To meet the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, to greet him on his 50th birthday, to sign the Treaty of Agra. Correct answer, to meet the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Second one, what was the reaction of Shivaji when he felt that he was humiliated by the emperor? He did not greet the emperor. He demanded to sit in a front row. He turned his back and went to his residence without meeting the emperor. Correct answer, he turned his back and went to his residence without meeting the emperor. What was the treachery of Aurangzeb? He posted guards outside Shivaji's residence and practically imprisoned him. He did not offer a seat in the front row. He made Shivaji stand in the back row. Correct answer, he posted guards outside Shivaji's residence and practically imprisoned him. How did Shivaji plan to escape from Agra? By taking medicines, by sending back all the persons accompanying him, by pretending to be ill. Correct answer, by pretending to be ill. Name the following. Who left to Agra to visit the emperor? Shivaji Maharaj, Mirza Raje, Diler Khan. Correct answer, Shivaji Maharaj. Who imprisoned Shivaji Maharaj? Mirza Raje, Adil Shah, Aurangzeb. Correct answer, Aurangzeb. Who pretended to be ill? Aurangzeb, Shivaji Maharaj, Madari Mehtar. Correct answer, Shivaji Maharaj. Who were the two persons left with Shivaji Maharaj? Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehtar, Jijabai and Shahaji Raje, Aurangzeb and Mirza Raje. Yes, and the correct answer is Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehtar. Who was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home? Shahaji Raje, Jijabai, Sambhaji Raje. Correct answer, Jijabai. Why did Shivaji Maharaj left Sambhaji Raje when he was on the way to Rajgarh? Agra, Surat, Mathura. Correct answer, Mathura. Thank you.